So you want to make money on YouTube and you don't know how to set up ads on your YouTube videos? Well, look no further. I'll show you right now. If you don't already know, my name is Age and I'm a full-time Twitch partner that streams every single day except Sunday. Link down in the description below if you want to stop in, say hi. I stream a lot of different games and it would mean a lot. Now let's get into the video to show you how you can actually make money on YouTube. Let's go. So first things first is you're gonna have to get into the YouTube partnership program. How you can get into that? Well, it's pretty simple. All you need is 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Sure, it might sound a bit, hard, but when you start making searchable content and, content that people actually search for and that are interested in, you will get that really, really easy. It took me, I have 3 YouTube channels right now. 2 are monetized, 1 is brand new. So it's for the first, it took me like 9 months. And for the other one, it took me like less than a month. So the first one took longer because I was new to YouTube. I didn't know how to set everything up and I didn't know how to, monetize it right. I didn't know how to make the SEO score higher and stuff like that. But once I figured it out on my second channel, as I said, it took me less than a month, which was insane. So I'll show you how to actually get everything going and set everything up. So first things you'll have to do is go to your YouTube dashboard. How to get to the dashboard? You click on your profile picture in the top right, then click dashboard or YouTube studio. You go right here, there's a monetization tab. Once you click on it, it's gonna show you the 4,000 hours of watch time, 1,000 subscriber one. You click on it, you apply. If you hit it, obviously you apply. You gotta wait around, depends. I waited like a week for both of my channels, maybe 2 weeks max. You will hear back. If everything is legit, you'll hear back, get accepted to the program, and then you will get you will have to request a little code. So then they will have to mail you the code for AdSense account. So if you want to confirm your AdSense account to get money, you will have to get that code to your mailed to you, which takes around 2 to 3 weeks, depends where you live. Maybe even more than that. You receive that code, you put it on the Google AdSense, and you confirm your account. But now that you do all of that stuff, you go to your content and you want to upload a YouTube video. I'm currently on my second channel, Agent Reacts, where I do my daily reaction videos. So if you're interested in that, it's also linked down in the description. I'm on my Agent Reacts dashboard, and you can see I have some videos scheduled out. So if I go to one of these videos, if I go to this video right here, if I want to add an ad, kind of rhymes as well. All I have to do is just go to the monetization tab on the video. Again, you have to be, confirmed for this. You click on monetization on, and keep in mind, every time the video is more than 8 minutes long, you can put one or multiple mid-roll ads. So there's 3 types of ads on YouTube. There's a pre-roll ad, there's a mid-roll ad, and there's a post-roll ad. So the first pre-roll ad is basically the ad that shows before, like once you click on a video, before the video starts, the ad rolls. You probably saw it if you're, if you're using YouTube, if you watch YouTube videos, there's a lot of pre-roll ads. Mid-roll ads, as I said, you can get if you have your video more than 8 minutes long. So you can add 1 to 2, it depends how long your video is. When my videos are at 8 minutes long, I have 1 ad. If it's around 10 plus, I put 2 ads so I don't annoy my viewers too much, so they don't leave my videos. And there's a post-roll ad, which basically rolls after the video is done, and then it's continuing to the other video. So over here, we have, all these type of ads. We can enable everything. What I did is just enable everything, because why wouldn't I? There's also display ads, which show to the right of your video, to, in that recommended section over there. There's overlay ads, which are the little ads that show basically in the center of the screen, in the bottom center. You just click X and you skip them. And there's also sponsor cards, which are to the right of the screen, which are, show like an overlay as well. There's skippable video ads, that you can skip. You can press X after like 5 seconds. And there's also non-skippable video ads that you cannot skip after, they're like 15 seconds usually. So you can enable all of these. You can also go to settings in the bottom left, and then you can go to upload defaults and basically go to monetization, and then enable all of these. So it's always defaulted. So, the monetization is always defaulted for every single ad. So you don't have to do it for every single video. That's pretty good. And you should definitely set that up. Once you do that, if your video is more than 8 minutes long, you click on manage mid rolls over here. Click on it. It's gonna open your video right here. You're gonna see how long it is. You can see everything. You can, you know, replay it to preview it basically. Then you choose whatever section of the video you want to put the ad in. I usually put around 25% and then around 75% of the video. So, you know, the first like 3 minutes, people are getting into the video, getting into the content, and then I hit them with that ad. You know, around 3 minutes over here, I put one ad, and then over here around 7 minutes, like 75%, I put another ad. Because the video is 10 minutes long, I think 2 ads should be enough. You know, it shouldn't be too much, and the viewers won't get annoyed and leave the video. That's all you have to do. Literally click on those on the little timeline and then click ad break right here. It's gonna choose, you know, it's gonna make this little dot over here, which what that means, it's basically going to roll whatever ad someone, you know, if I live in Croatia, you live in US, for example, you're gonna get an ad for something US based, I'm gonna get an ad something in Croatia. So it's, the ads are basically all localized, and wherever you live, you're gonna get a different ad. Makes sense. All you have to do there, you know, add these breaks, click on continue, and you should be done. Click on save in the top right, and you're good to go. Upload your video. When you do upload your video, you have to wait for the checks, for the YouTube checks and for the monetization checks. It takes around 10, 15, 20 minutes for YouTube to actually check your video to confirm that they are ad eligible, which means they're, you know, brand friendly. You're not swearing, you're not doing any explicit stuff, which then the advertisers are not gonna like, and they're not gonna, you know, advertise or monetize your video. So if you have the yellow little icon for the monetization over here, that means your video is not monetizable, and you can kind of dispute the claim if you don't think you know, YouTube bot did the right thing. You can try to get the monetization back, but it has to be green for it to be confirmed, and then you upload the video or you release the video. So what I do usually is I upload all my videos let's say today, and then tomorrow the video goes live. So it has this 24-hour time span for, you know, YouTube to check it, to get the max quality, to get all the checks done. So YouTube pushes it through the algorithm, and then I have no issues with the quality loss, you know, no ads, no money and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it for the YouTube ads. They're actually really, really, really easy to set up. If you have any more questions, please let me know down in the comments below. If you need any more help, join my Discord at discord.gg/agent. It's also linked down in the description. You know, ask me questions there. We can chat as well. Basically, all you have to do is just get monetized, which is, again, super easy. Just make searchable content, get that watch time, and then you can click on monetize. You know, just add those ad breaks wherever you want in the video, and just, you know, wait for the revenue to stop in. You need to have $100 to get paid on YouTube. So once you reach $100, you'll be able to get paid on your AdSense account, which basically you link to your, you know, bank account or PayPal or whatever you want to link right there. I have it set to my bank account. So whenever I reach $100, you can also have it for multiple YouTube accounts. So if one reaches $50, the other reaches $50, they stack, and then you get paid those $100 from both, you know, both YouTube accounts. So you don't have to reach $100 on each account. You can reach 50-50 and then merge it, and then get paid on the same bank account, which is pretty dope. Because sometimes, you know, not every YouTube account can really reach $100 every single month. So yeah, if you have any more questions, please let me know down in comments. If you did like the video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to check my Twitch channel as well, where I stream every single day except Sundays. Link down in the description. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.